How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. How to mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, this error usually happens when your internet connection is weak or unstable. Just try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Also, turn airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network. Step 2. Restart Instagram. Close the Instagram app completely. Remove it from your recent apps, wait a few seconds, then reopen it and try again.
Hey, yo, listen up, motherfuckers.
Step 3. Clear Instagram cache. Sometimes old cache causes this error. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram Storage, then tap Clear Cache. For iPhone, there's no direct clear cache, so delete the app and reinstall it. Step 4. Update Instagram. An outdated app can also glitch. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if an update is available. Step 5. Log out and log in again. Log out of your Instagram account. Go to Profile, Settings, Log out. Wait a few seconds, log back in, and check your feed. Step 6. Check Instagram server status. If nothing works, Instagram servers may be down globally. Search Instagram down on Google or check Twitter to see if others are having the same issue. If it's a server problem, you'll just need to wait. Step 7. Free up storage space. If your phone is almost full, Instagram may fail to load properly. Delete unused files or apps to make space. Step 8. Reinstall Instagram. If the problem continues, uninstall Instagram, restart your phone, then reinstall the app and log back in. And that's how to fix the couldn't refresh feed problem on Instagram. If this helped you out, please like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and comment below if you have any other Instagram issues. Thanks for watching. Quick tip, if you keep having this issue, it's usually a sign of a bad connection, so check your Wi-Fi strength or contact your network provider too.